Welcome to the SC500 Hoist Installation Manual. This video will show the use of counterweights. The hoist ships as a flat, compact packet, which is all pinned together. Release the pieces by unpinning. On the ground we can see the tie bars and the booms. Now the men are releasing the two half frames. These two uprights are called masts. Join the mast together with the tie bars. Use the locking pins to secure the tie bars. No tools are required to assemble this hoist, just the locking pins. These are the anchor bolts. We won't be using the anchor bolts today because the roof won't accommodate drilling. Instead, we're putting on weight beams. The weight beams are pinned to the foot of the mast . And immediately behind the mast base. Shift the frame forward. Install the 6 industry standard counterweights. These counterweights weigh 55 pounds each. They lock onto the track in the weight beam and then are further locked by a weight retaining rod and a padlock. In the event that there is no parapet or windowsill in front of the hoist, then install a 2x4 wood stud through the toe board brackets to prevent small bits of rubble or tools from being kicked over the edge. All counterweighted hoists should be tied back to something immovable to prevent, say, a blockage from pulling the chute off the roof or floor slab. Superchute does sell kits for this purpose that do not require the tying of any knots. These are mechanical kits that attach to a wire cable with a cable grabber. Once the frame has been bolted down or counterweighted, the booms can be attached. There are several holes on the mast to accommodate the boom. Pin the boom to the position that best suits your needs. A fishpole yoke is tied to the upper tie bar. The outer crossbar is released from its storage position on the fishpole and pinned at the head of the pole. Use a personal fall arrest harness if you feel the situation warrants such use. The fish pole is pinned to the yoke. The spreader bar is attached to the cable and gently lowered over the side. The spreader bar is lowered and chute sections are added while the man up top winches up the wire. Walkie-talkies are recommended at this stage so that the people on the ground can stay in touch with the people up at the hoist level.
You're on? You're good? Yeah.
The winch is a manual winch, which is more than fast enough for chute installation. Once the chute has approached the hoist level, it is chained off to the frame on either side. The winch cable is slackened, at which point all the chute load will transfer to the chains. Now the spreader bar can be released. The fish pole can be ultimately removed. Every order of chute hoist ships with the documents canister. Store your manual in this clear tube so that others can access the manual if need be. Notice that the path to the hoist is now unobstructed as the fish pole has been removed. Thank you for watching this video.